In the last two parts, we walked you through how to transcribe and caption your video. In this final tutorial of Captioning for Beginners, we'll be discussing how to export your work. Let's start by exporting our project as subtitles. Subtitles are captions that have been burnt into your video, which cannot be turned off by the viewer. This may be the preferred option if you're uploading your video to social media where your audience will be watching without sound. In Closed Caption Creator, you can export video with subtitles by going to the primary toolbar and selecting File. Click Export and selecting Video File from the options list. Click Next. Now select a target folder where you would like your video to be saved. You will also need to select the event group and a preset depending on the platform you'll be uploading to. Here you can choose from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Vimeo, and more. Click the Export button once you're ready and the video will begin exporting with burnt-in subtitles. Some platforms allow users to upload closed captioning, where viewers have the option to hide the captions if they prefer. Closed captioning is not only limited to SRT or VTT files. Many television broadcasters require specific broadcast formats such as SCC, STL, or MCC. In order to export a sidecar caption file, you can go to File, then Export, and this time, select Subtitle File from the list of options. Again, select your desired event group. Closed Caption Creator provides support for a number of different caption file formats. Start by selecting the file extension you wish to use, followed by the correct profile. Some extensions have multiple profile options. Click Export once you're ready. Lastly, we will quickly show how easy it is to export as a 608/708 file format. Select the Embed Captions option and click Next. The Embed Captions window will appear. Here you will need to select your source video file, the event group with the captions you wish to embed, as well as the frame rate of the video. When embedding captions, we do not transcode or re-encode the video track. This means it is important to provide your video file in the same format you wish to deliver. Click Submit Job once you are ready. Your file will be uploaded and the embedding process will begin. The time it takes to finish uploading will depend on your file size. You're now ready to deliver your completed captions to your client or project manager for review. Thank you for watching this video on how to export different files with Closed Caption Creator. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos on our channel to learn more about Closed Caption Creator.